cursive, and curve and set in words. Do we have clusters in Arabic? What do you think? Very good. You're having good news. We do not have clusters in the Arabic language, except in very, let me say again, very few words. Okay? But most of our Arabic sounds are either, or even when we learn them in the kindergarten, we say a, e, and u for fatha, dhamma, and whatever, right? That's why every sound in Arabic already has its own vowel. It's carrying its own vowel. So we do not have the clusters. So when I ask you to go and pronounce clusters in English, it becomes a little bit difficult for us. So what we do is that we add a vowel, again the schwa, between the clusters to make it easy for us to pronounce the word. So I do not say friends, and I say friendin. Right? That's what we do. Why are we doing that? Because I do not know how to pronounce the cluster. I put the schwa to make it easy. So I make the one-syllabic word two-syllabic words. So instead of friend, which is the one syllable, it becomes friendin, two syllables. And the other one, next is, thank you. Again, that one syllabic word, it becomes two. Next, 3 years, my penis, word. I love this word. Words. Again, the rest and sen doesn't have any vowel between them and should not split it. Word kiss. Words. One syllabic word. Okay? Pronunciation of the O is electric, but we usually pronounce it as a sound. So how do we say the first word? Huh? Thank you, excellent. It's not autism. O. That's exaggerated. O, no. O is in another sound or in another word like go. But here it's office. I'm sitting in my office. It's not office. Okay? The other one is dog. It's never dog. Except I say dog, as some of you already pronounced that. And as I said in worry, do not worry, it's worry, to not worry. Okay, some tips for the American, the rest sound. The rest sound in the American accent is never silent. Unlike the British, the Canadian, and many other English dialects, they take example at the end of a word, a teacher, or a new year. That's very British. In the American sound, they say a year, and a teacher. It's never silent. Okay? How do I do that? How do I pronounce this rough sound in the American one? I take my tongue back and curl it up, but do not touch the palate, okay? So it's but do not trill it. Don't say, I come from Russia. That's very Russian. Do not over trill it, okay? Okay? As car, the British is going to say car. Learn, the British is going to say learn. And heard, very British. For, the American one is for, and learned, and heard. Okay? But I'm going to show you how to make sounds. Okay, practice. Let me listen to you. Thank you. And that's the front of you.
Rope. Bearing. Far.
Far. Can you pronounce it? In the Arabic one we say far. Far. Because our tongue is used to this place. The Arabic R, the tip of my tongue comes to the end of my mouth and touches the palate. So it makes it, example, ranya, ra at the beginning, okay? The American one, as I said, pull your tongue back and try to curl it up, but do not touch. When you touch, it's gonna be having an accent, not the American one. So I say again, it's not gonna come from the first time. Try to practice that at home. Okay, now the tenth sound. And we all have to listen to this sound in the American English and have to pronounce it too. When it holds between vowels, it turns into a fast D. So I do not say water. Water is British. I say water. A very light D. And do not over-exaggerate with the D, because if you did it, it got water. Very arrogant. Again, try to practice that at home. So I say water, right? City. Not city. City is British. It's city. And ability. Ability is British. You say an ability. Butter. Butter is British. Butter. Okay? Also, when the third falls in a final position of a word, but the next word is a vowel. It has the same pronunciation. So I say, what are? Not what are you doing? What are? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Will you get in or get out? Will you get in or get out? I got up at 11. I got up at 11. Okay? Again, T between two vowels, whether in the same word or followed by a vowel in the next word, is transferred to a small or fast T. So far so good? Okay. Because I think I've finished. Thank you. Thanks for your patience and your precious time. Thank you, people.